Okay, today we'll be changing the battery in a 2022 Toyota Highlander key fob. First step is you remove the emergency key. Once you remove the key, you'll notice that there's a slot inside the key fob, which can be used to open it up. So you'll use the key, place it in that slot, and apply some pressure. The key fob will then open. Once you look in here, you'll see that the key fob uses 2032 flat batteries. I would recommend that you open your key fob prior to purchasing the batteries to ensure that you get the correct battery size. Luckily, I had a pack of 2032s in the old toolbox, so all I need to do is take one out, replace it, and the key fob should work as good as new. To remove the battery, you'll need a pen or some small object. Place it underneath the battery. Pull. The old battery will fall out. Take the new battery, insert it positive side down. Then you'll place it back into the key fob, battery down. Take the other side, put it on, clip. Replace your emergency key, and there you go. Everything is working as it should be. Less than 5 minutes. That simple.